Greetings for the day everyone. My name is Spandan Srivastav and I scored 99 out of 100 in class 12th economics board exam. In this video we will be covering on what all resources you need to score 100 on 100 in economics. So let us begin with this video. The very first book that I would like to recommend would be Sandeep Kirk. Now this is their macroeconomics book and this is their IED. Now the kind of value-based question, case-based question, latest CBSE-based sample paper that is given in these two books. Also the very short answer, MCQ, long answer-based question. These are brilliant for your board exams. Also the kind of explanation that is provided in the theory chapters, whether it be in IED or macro, are very helpful for writing long answer-based question. Now for IED also, I would give you an example. There came a question in my board exam which was related to a statistical data that is given in the last chapter, that is comparative study of India and its neighbors. And now I had already read the explanation for each and every tabular data that was given in Sandeep Kirk, and that is why it was very helpful for me for writing that long answer question, right? So in this way I find that these two books are very nice, and even for macro I find there are many graphs that are given and the kind of explanation and tabular data that is provided with the graphical representation is very helpful. The third book that I would like to recommend would be this one. Now this one is from DC and this is by Rajat sir. It covers both macro and IED in one book, and it is a brief, precise book that is very nice for last minute revision. Also it is very good for foundation, like when you are starting a particular chapter you need to read it once, become thorough with the kind of foundation or the kind of subjects that are introduced in a particular chapter, and then once you are thorough with it, read it once again, because it covers every point in a precise manner. It is not very elaborated, because for elaborated things you need to refer these reference books, but for revision purposes it is the best book available, right? Now the third thing, now we will be going on to the YouTube channels. The YouTube channel which I personally recommend to all of you guys would be Rajat sir's economics one, because I used to refer for him for the economics subject because I'm a humanities student. And what I found was that the kind of explanation he provides is very easy to understand as well as to grasp. So once you see his video, you are already half done with the chapter. Then you go to school, the teacher teaches you the chapter, then you read it once with your Sandeep Kirk, then you read it with this book, and you have already done the revision as well. So you do not need to have a separate time for revision. If you have a kind of timetable in which you are covering one chapter in these multiple ways, you will be able to do or score very well in your board exams, right? And the second YouTube channel which also many people recommend is the Physics Wala. The Love Kaushik sir's video is also very nice for economics, because the kind of explanation he provides is also very nice. But for me, Rajat sir's video was better because it was very time effective as well. He did not elaborate too much on a particular subject. So his videos are around 30 minutes, 45 minutes only, and it covers everything that is given in NCERT as well as in these reference books. So it is very nice. Also, in time, at the time of your board exam, when there is a day gap given, for example, for me, I had a 5 days gap before my board exam. He had prepared a schedule in which, he had given the time that today at 12 o'clock, we will release this video. At 5:30, we'll release this video. And if you follow that only, you will score, 95 plus guaranteed in your board exams. So I would recommend that if you are not very comfortable with Rajat sir video, find a particular YouTuber with which you are very comfortable to study economics, because if you are not having tuition, you need to have a particular supplementary teacher alongside your school teacher, because only then you will be able to revise that particular chapter in an efficient manner, right? So with this we will be ending today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and lots of love to you guys. And if there is any doubt you have, feel free to write in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And with this, signing off. Goodbye. Thank you.